Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to add apps in our website. So first of all, we have to go on the left side of the screen. Here we will see some of options, and here you will see add apps. We have to click on it. Once you click on it, then you can see homepage of, and here you can select ads, some of social apps from here. For now I'm going to add social icon. I will click on it. Then we have to click on add to site. Once you click on that blue button, then you have to click on agree and add. So as you can see, these are the social icons has been added on my website. You can place it wherever you want. You can resize it. Same as you can add more apps over here. Like if you want to sell online, then you can go with these features. And if you want to add some services and events, then you can go with these suggestions. And you can search here from search bar. You can add design elements as well, like if you want to add some image effects, buttons, menus, banners, badges, and many more. So guys, you can add so many apps and elements in this simple step, and you can create your website more catchy and attractive. So guys, this is how to add apps on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.